Welcome to the filter and condenser cleaning video for the SH series Saladettes. Open the locked utility door with the keys provided. The filter and condenser is located behind this. Lift the filter up by its tab to remove it. The condenser behind will be visible as a result. Use a soft brush to gently clean the filter and condenser. Be mindful not to damage or bend the fins on the condenser during cleaning. Then use an air blower to clear away any ingrained dust and debris from the condenser and internal utility space. This maintenance and cleaning process must be scheduled and performed once per month. Once the area is thoroughly cleaned, replace the filter to the front of the condenser, then close and lock the utility door. Proper and regular maintenance and upkeep will extend their lifespan and minimizes the risk of breakdowns and saves energy. Thank you for watching. Please also watch our other videos for useful information and instructions.